Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to start an LLC with ZenBusiness. Firstly, go to your browser like Google Chrome and search ZenBusiness. Open the ZenBusiness website to begin the LLC formation process. ZenBusiness offers different plans with varying features and prices. Enter your preferred company name and click on Start an LLC. Wait a few seconds to load the website. They will ask you a few questions. Click on Let's Do It and they will confirm your business details. Enter your preferred business name and formation state. Click on Next and select the experience you have running a business. Click on Some or Lots and then click Next. Choose yes or no to the question of whether you will have a different business address form home. After selecting the option, click on Next. It asks, how far along is your business? Click on the relevant option. After selecting the option, tap on Next. Select your business goals by tapping the relevant option of your goals. Tap Next and add the kind of business you are forming. Enter your industry and tap on Next. Do you want to save the progress? You can select Save or Skip. Tap on Next and you can select Appoint ZenBusiness as my registered agent by tapping the option. Tap on Next and you can choose the package you want like Starter, Pro, or Premium. By scrolling down, you can see different packages and tap Next. Meet the state requirements with worry fee compliance and select the option. Yes, keep me covered, or you can select the option No. Tap on Next and select the option to save money on EIN, business document, or both. Tap on Next and you can protect your LLC with an operating agreement. You can select the option Add or No thanks. After selecting the option, tap on Next and you can protect your assets with business banking. Click the option Add or No thanks and tap on Next. You can save time and money with bookkeeping. Select the option Add or No. After selecting the option, tap on Next and get started faster by selecting the relevant option. Tap on Next and review your info by adding your details like your name, suffix, email address, phone number, company name, and details. After providing the details on the form, click on Continue to review order. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.